Today we have a 2015 Audi Q5. We'll be replacing the coolant expansion tank right here. Very quick and easy job. A little pry tool, we're going to remove these clips here. Just pick them up. And then just pull back. And also be very careful, these they tend to break as well right here, so sometimes it's easy to replace them. But once we remove that, we're also going to remove 2 10s right here. And then there will be a sensor below that we're going to remove, as well as another hose. Okay, now with all that removed, we're just going to pick it up gently. It's going to be held at the bottom with some grommets, so you might need to wiggle a little bit. And we're going to pick it up, being gentle, get all these hoses out of our way. But before we take this out and yank it out, I'm going to go ahead and give you a view here. We're going to unplug the level sensor right there, as well as you will see that hose down there. It's the same concept as these hoses up here. Just pull the tab outward and pull it out. So we're going to go ahead and get those removed down there and just pull the tank right up. Okay, so now with our old tank out the way, we can put our new one in. If the grommet got stuck on the old one, be sure to slide it off and push it down there. And then I went ahead and put some lube on here to make our life easier to push it in. So we're just going to put all this together and get ready to finish up. All right, well, everything is installed and done. Just make sure these are all seated properly, especially the bottom one, pretty much all of them. Level sensors plugged in, and that is it. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, more videos to come.